Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your third week's exclusive love reading starting from 17th February till the 23rd. If you're in a complicated relationship, situationship or marriage, you can think about a question and then watch this reading. You will definitely find your answer. So your first two cards are saying that they have got 10 of Spades and the 6 of Suns. And you've also got the 6 of Stars and the Pepes. Now 6 is there, so 6 6 you could be seeing 6 6 and 6 6 could have a reference in your life. You could also be dealing with an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. Okay, I do see that your life was not moving forward, your love life, especially if you were already in a relationship, you were not moving to marriage. If you were single, you were not getting into a relationship or getting married, right? And if you were married, you were hoping to become three from two, which means expecting pregnancy, which could be delayed or not happening. To all those of you I just mentioned or anyone I missed, it's going to be a beautiful week for you. Why? Because I do see your life moving forward like a rocket, like at rocket speed. You can see things will quickly change for you, so quickly that you will not even have the time to uh, you know understand what just happened. So it's like really quick things will happen. You meet somebody and then you just talk about your marriage and you'll even get married, right? Or till this time, the people that you were dealing with in a situationship were not ready to commit to you, were not ready to get married. Finally, you will meet somebody who will commit to you and get married. If you were already in a relationship and your partner was not committing to you, then I do see that they have achieved the goals that they were set out to do. Now they will want to come back home, which means now they will want to get married. Even if you are married and your partner was constantly traveling, not giving enough time to home, there's a relief for you as well. They would want to now come back home to you and the children and the family. Okay, so it's going to be a very beautiful week for you. I do see your status changing from single to relationship and relationship to marriage, and from two people to three people, like a complete family. You will start getting the good news in the third week of February. Expect proposals, expect good news. So see a good news, good messages coming your way overall. Even if you were not ready to settle down, or you were not ready to have a baby, or you were not ready to be in a relationship, or you were commitment phobic, I do see those problems going away and you are now ready to commit and get settled in life. I also see with the Pepes here, there's somebody who respects you a lot. There's somebody who sees you like a person who's very intelligent, has a lot of wisdom, right? Is very wise, makes good choices in life, and also somebody who is very intimidated by you. So it could be that people usually don't approach you, especially if you're single, to propose to you because they're very intimidated. They think they don't know what your reaction is going to be. You might just snap back at them, you might just scold them. So they are quite intimidated, which means they fear you. So, but either way, somebody is, I think, mustering up the courage to finally come to you and propose to you. So yes, proposals are definitely going to be there, whether that's a marriage proposals or that's a relationship proposal, but it's definitely going to be there. Somebody could even ask you to move in with them, like a live-in relationship. It can also happen. So good news are coming your way. Your life is going to be changing very fast, at a very fast fast speed, and very soon. Sorry, I think it's a tongue twister. So beautiful week for you, Pisces. If you resonated with my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know. And do comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy. If you want to claim the positivities from this reading, if you still have any doubts, because this was a general reading, if you still have any questions regarding your love life, your career, health, family, anything, you can still DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, and book a reading for yourself, or you can email me at astasharma842@gmail.com. So take care of yourself, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.